Hi, my name's Michael. I live in Orange County, California, and I got into carpentry because of my dad, actually. My dad is a general contractor. He has been working on our houses, doing projects, and he always pulled me along to help. I turned it into a passion of mine probably 5 years ago. I've been building furniture for my home. I plan to keep going for as long as I can with this passion. You could build furniture as a way of bringing people together. That's honestly what I like the most. You get to enjoy it in your everyday life. It blends in and it's a reflection of what you do, who you are, and almost what you can achieve as well. So what I think makes a good carpenter is being able to be patient, try stuff, practice what you're doing. That way you're not doing your first try on your finished project. Texas Canvas Wares actually reached out to me on Instagram. They said they have a new product, they were looking for people to try this, and I wanted something new, and I took the opportunity to get an apron that I like. First thoughts are it fits just as good as the first. I like the new logo, it's bigger. I like the feel, it still has the same comfortable design. So the back has clips. It's very easy to do behind your back. You could tell right away. One of my favorite features is the phone slot, and it's not going to fall out. It's not going to get damaged. Don't have to worry about breaking the screen. The apron has pocket covers. I don't have to worry about sawdust getting in there, finding something. I know exactly what's in the pockets. It doesn't fall out. It's very comfortable, I will say. The shoulder straps are nice. I could wear it all day and really not notice it. I don't get like a sweaty back or sweaty shoulders. And the reason I would is because you could customize it to your liking. It really could be like an expansion of yourself. Their customer service has been great so far. The owner, you could reach out to him on Instagram. He replies back very fast. He's very open. He will truly give you the time of day. You get to support somebody that's basically living their dream, supporting people like you and me, people that are smaller in the craft that really enjoy supporting American small businesses.